Hi Aquarius, this is your next 7 days reading starting from 22nd of March to the 29th of March. 29th of March is a very important period if we go according to the Vedic astrology. However, I don't go through follow the Vedic astrology, but apparently on that day, from the sign of Aquarius, Saturn is moving to Pisces. But according to the Western astrology, it has already moved last year. But right now, so that is a very big shift. So if it really affects us, what is coming to Aquarius will be in a very good space once this happens, and the results of that or the effects of that is already visible from this week, and you are succeeding in all your endeavors. So for Aquarius, this is a golden time. It is a good time because you were in much apprehension till last week, but now from this week, the influences of Three of Cups, many of you will be enjoying this period. Many of you will have parties, invitation, some kind of rest in your environment, happiness through colleagues, friends, and also, it is going to give you some healing in this time period from difficult situations. So with the star energy, which is also Aquarius energy, and the Ace of Cups, you will be enjoying yourself. Your being will be rejuvenated, and there will be a sense of happiness. Though in the initial phase, it could be a new love situation happening for you, new work, new job, some good news, some healing from bad health is happening, and it is a very good outlook for you this week. So with the Nine of Pentacles, your career situation is very good. Your money, career, finance is making you self-sufficient. You have enough. You don't have to ask for anything from anyone. So you have created this great empire, or this great fulfilling monetary situation for yourself, and you are in that securely planted, having a home, having a good area to live in. You have plush surroundings, comfort around you. So basically you are satisfied. With the Lovers card, this can mean that some of you could be single but attracting new love. Some of you will be having great shared resources with your lover or partner. Some of you will be in partnership with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, definitely, or a Gemini. It's a long-term partnership. It is good decisions, long-term decisions in life, long-term things which will make you safe and secure. Your situation is also, your children will do well. So with the Sun card and the Seven of Wands, you will be like having this warrior spirit, because you have achieved everything with lot of work. You have achieved everything because the presence of Saturn, and the controlling Saturn influences, because it is also your ruling planet, was creating a lot of obstacles on your path. And the obstacle right now is like you have been on the verge of giving up many times, and you were in the Eight of Cups obstacle, but now this is changing because you are on a higher ground. You have realized that, and you have created a great atmosphere around you, and you are very happy in this period. Touch wood, this situation is very beautiful. With the King of Wands and the Knight of Wands, you could be having fire signs around you, or the energy of the King of Wands and the Knight of Wands tell me that there could be people criticizing you, but inside of you, you know what you want to pursue, where you want to go. So you are the hero. You are the big mover, shaker in this time period. So the heroic the anti-heroes will be doing those criticisms and all that will happen, but you are emerging as the big hero in this time period, and you will be certainly moving away from the energies that pull you down or that create sour atmosphere around you, with the King of Swords finally showing that is your energy, the energy of a consolidator, sharpshooter, sharp man, sharp woman, who who will find their voice, who will be communicating directly, honestly. And with the Ten of Pentacles and King of Swords, your position looks very secure, your position looks very very safe. You are in this time period creating legacy wealth, and your underlying energy is the Fool. You are ready to take risks, you are ready to do things. This can, the King of Wands and the Knight of Wands can also mean that you can leave the displeasures behind, you can leave situations that cause trouble for you, you can leave everything altogether, because you are finding the courage to move forward on your own, be independent in this time period, looking for travel, adventure, new spirit, and pursuing your passions in this time period. So you are moving away from a very hard and grueling circumstance, and that is ending for you. So this was a very burdensome situation, however not without its reward. So Ten of Wands is always with a reward, with a finale. So you have reached a destination, now you can leave the burden and move forward. So with the Magician and the Ace of Swords, a new path, new motivation, and victory in chaotic situation is happening, and conquering the defeating circumstances is what is happening for you, Aquarius. And with the Magician card, you are constantly intending and creating. You are taking the help of the universe, the chances, the opportunities, and you are going to produce physical things, you are going to produce good ideas, you are going to achieve success. If you are launching something, this is a great period for you, Aquarius. In terms of your economy, definitely you are moving and you are a hero. In terms of your personal life, you could be if you were dealing with difficulties, you are emerging as a survivor in difficulties. So for you, your children, your close people, there is going to be great happiness in this time period. With the World card, this is your outcome, and the World card tells us that something is finishing with a master stroke. Big expansive energies are coming in, you are going to go towards expansion, travel, world is at your feet, you will feel that energy. And with the Death card and the Star card clarifying this, what we can say is that that something is over, something has transformed, the difficulties of life have transformed into easier things. And with the Star card, you can hope for the best, because you will see the time changing for you in this time. And with the Three of Wands, you will be definitely having great expectation, because chances are coming to you with the Wheel of Fortune and the energy of Jupiter. So let's look at the astrological card for you, which is Jupiter, which fell for you, and it is saying that abundance is coming. So Saturn was controlling, now Jupiter is affecting you, and this is the second house energy, because the ruling planet of Pisces is Jupiter, your second house is Pisces. So your resources are going to expand in this time period, you will think bigger. So this will require a expansive and forgiving and spacious kind of mindset. You will be curious, fair, philosophical, and you will be thinking globally in this time period. Consider traveling physically or traveling with your senses by listening to music from a less familiar culture or tasting their food. Talk to people who grew up in circumstances foreign to you and get their viewpoint. Diversify your perspective and that of your team to discover the missing pieces needed to make up a large whole for yourself. Engage in abundant optimism. Get the word out through generosity. Give abundantly, and goodwill comes back to you. Invest in education, publication, broadcasting. Just be careful that your generosity is actually helping the recipient, not enabling or burdening them. So Jupiter's energy needs a big room and an audience, but it can overshadow important people in more intimate circumstances. So be careful about who you are giving and how much you are giving. So don't cramp people with overdoing as well. So notice where you might overwhelm the people you love. Give them room for their own subtle style. So there is a challenge of Jupiter, that is bringing too much of it. Sometimes it brings too much of something that overwhelms others, but it also gives you magical thinking. It gives you great expansion. Jupiter calls you to expand your worldwide view. So reach out and feel at one with the whole universe at this time. So the world card is your outcome as well, which is about, completing restrictive circumstances and moving into a new situation that is open, that is curious, that is great fun. And with the full energy, you have decided to move to new adventures. And with the King of Wands as well, you are fulfilling those leadership goals, those adventures that you always wanted to do. Double fire energy is coming to you, and both the engines are working fine. So Aquarius, you are going to do very well in this time period, and a gift benefit could come to you. You will be planning good things. You could be planning your marriage in this time period, or your partnership. Messages will be coming to you of great importance, and your expectation in this time period will be very, very high regarding personal or professional life. So wish you all the best. Touch wood. In Hindi, nazar na lage. Nobody should put an evil eye on your good run at this time. Enjoy and spread your happiness, your philosophies, your learnings in the time, because you have gone through bad times and now you are into good times. So enjoy. So thanks for watching. If you have anything to say, please write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties, still going through difficulties, they will overcome that. But if you still want my advice, you can come for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So decide and then contact me. My email ID is there in the description box. Keep watching this space. I'll be bringing more readings. Of course, the April reading is due. So bye bye.